Hi, and welcome to Love Your Home, our renovation tip of the week, brought to you by Multi-Trade Building Services. I'm Jackie Stezik, Project Manager and Marketing Director for Multi-Trade. We bring you weekly tips about general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and so much more. This week, we're going to be talking about preventing clogged drains. Now, once your drains are clogged, and I'm sure everyone listening has experienced this at one point or another, it can be a very expensive fix to call a plumber. Depending on how desperate that clog is, it could be as simple as plunging it to get it going again, or you can be bringing in snakes. And there was one service call that we did where we actually had to take apart part of the drain because the clog was so thick, so bad, and way down the branch line. So, better to do some prevention and prevent all of your drains from getting clogged in the first place. And don't forget, drains aren't just in your kitchen sink. You've got drains in your bathroom sinks, in your showers and tubs, and your toilets. And we're going to give you some tips on how you can prevent clogs in each of them. So, the first tip I'm going to give you is keep all food, coffee grounds, and grease out of your drains. Don't pour those things down the drain. Food should go in your compost or in the garbage, the same with your coffee grounds. And grease, what we actually do is whenever we've got bacon grease or anything like that in the frying pan, we just take a tin, maybe we had a tin of tuna or a tin of soup, and we keep that washed out and near the stove. Then when I've got extra grease in the frying pan, I just pour it into that tin. And once that's full, that can either go out into the garbage, or to be honest, we put it out in our backyard. And the birds seem to enjoy that, as well as a few little furry friends that roam around. But at least it's not going down the drain and causing a clogged drain. The next tip is to keep hair and soap scum out of your bathroom drains. Now, this is both for your bathroom sink as well as your tub and shower. You'll see the photo I have there of a perforated screen or a drain catcher. Most of your big box stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, any of those places will sell these, and it's very easy to just pop those into the drain. And to be perfectly honest, you can even find something very simple that you can use at the dollar store of all places. It's a little wee basin that just pops right into the drain and has a little perforated screen on it to catch food scraps, hair, things like that. That's actually what I did in my own kitchen sink. I put one in each side of the sink, bought it at the dollar store, and then I have one with just a little mesh screen that's a little bit smaller, and one goes in my bathroom sink and one goes in my tub. Fabulous, and I catch everything. Nothing ever goes down that drain that shouldn't be going down it. Another tip is, especially if you have long hair, brush your hair before you take a shower, and that will remove a lot of the loose hair that typically comes out when you're having a shower. This is a fabulous tip and really truly does work well. Just brush your hair before you shower to minimize hair loss in the shower. Toilets. Now, I know this really should be obvious, but toilets are strictly for human waste and toilet paper only. That's the only two things that should ever be going down your toilet drain. Everything else goes in the trash. And I'm not going to rhyme off all the things that people typically put down toilets, but if it's not human waste and it's not toilet paper, it doesn't go down the toilet. Plain and simple. So for more information on preventing clogged drains in your home, check out our blog. Just go to multitradebuildingservices.com and click on news. You'll see all of our blog posts there, but you'll find the ones specific to preventing clogged drains in your home in the list. Thank you so much for joining us this week for our Love Your Home Renovation Tip of the Week. If you want to connect with us, you can email us at info@multitradebuildingservices.com, or you can call us directly at 905-259-3344. Check out our website at www.multitradebuildingservices.com. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you next week as we help you learn to love your home.